did have a mishap, so that was exciting. I haven't had that hardcore of a mishap in quite a little while. Here we are on our way to Rogers Camp. Gonna go do some trail riding today with ADV with Roscoe. Bob's here too. You want me to lead?
Yeah, you lead, I'll follow.
Battery is dead. Yeah, I didn't check.
So I like this magnet.
I have a lot more fun on this bike than what is probably healthy for me. I love that trail.
Good trail.
Every turn is just burned and swoopy. We can go back down that way, and then we'll go find a section of power line to ride. Whoa! Yeah, coyote. There he goes.
You see him?
Yeah, right there. Is that the sound they make? I'm done for the day.
What is your bike doing parked up there?
It's a nice parking job.
Well, hang on, before we laugh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh man, I'm gonna be sore.
All I heard was vroom.
Yeah. You see where I went up?
I thought you were laying on this side.
I was. I went up there. When I saw it heading for the tree, I went boop. Well, that was fun. I found a new way to park the bike. Here's the trail. Fun, swoopy, bermed, everything. I was ripping it up the hill and going too fast for not knowing the exit of the turn. Went right up off the berm. There's my track. And there's my parking spot. My ass saved my body from getting really hurt, it turns out. I might need some help getting this thing down. Fun freaking day, man. Fun day. Did have a mishap. So that was exciting. I haven't had that hardcore of a mishap in quite a little while. At all the gear, all the time, and you'll be fine. You can hear the chainsaws running around the parking lot. We got all the parking lot racers here today. It is definitely the right time to be eating and leaving. That's why I like getting here early, so you can get out into the woods before all the idiots get here. Great day of trail riding, I think. We found some really good trails, a lot of rocky trails, right?
Yeah, some rocks.
Yeah.
Not a lot of wet roots, which is good for me.
Yeah, not a lot of wet roots. The roots that we did encounter actually were dry, and I didn't have any issues at all morning on the trails. Nothing too difficult. It was just nice it was good to get some flowy trails, man. It's fun. It's getting about time to eat though, so I'm gonna shut up and get my food on. If you don't know what that contraption is, that is called a scuttle. That is ADVwithRoscoe, Charles's preferred method of cooking when he's overlanding, motorcycle riding, whatever. It's a cross in between a wok and a skillet and a wok. It's called a scuttle.
You can find them at timbotusk.com.
timbotusk.com is where you can find the scuttle. So if you're an overlander or you frequently go camping and riding, or just camping in a vehicle instead of on a bike like I usually do, consider getting one of these scuttles, man. They are pretty awesome.
Oh, you can enter my name for no discount code.
Cut.